In today's video, we are going to cover how to add money to Wise from a debit card. Begin by logging in to your Wise account, enter your account details, and wait for the home screen to load. Once you are signed in, look for the Add Money option on the home screen and click it to start the process. Wise will then ask which balance you want to add money to. Select the currency balance you want to fund. This matters if you hold more than one balance in your account, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. After that, enter the amount you want to add. Type in the value you want to transfer from your debit card to your Wise balance, then click Continue. At this point, Wise may show you the details of the transaction, including the amount being added and any related payment information. Next, go to the Paying With section. Here, choose Debit Card. If Debit Card is not already shown as an option, click Pay Another Way and then select Card. This takes you to the card payment stage where you can enter your debit card details. If you are using a card that has not been added to Wise before, select the New Card tab. This makes sure you are entering a fresh set of card details instead of choosing a card that may already be saved on the account. Now enter your debit card information. Fill in the card number, the expiry date, and the security code, which may also be labeled as CVC or CVV, depending on the card. Double check the details before continuing, since even a small typing error can stop the payment from going through. You may also see an option that says Save this card for future payments. This step is optional. If you want Wise to remember this debit card for later use, turn that option on. If you prefer not to store the card, leave it off and continue. Once your card details are entered and reviewed, click Pay to complete the payment. After you do this, your bank may ask for an extra verification step. This can depend on your bank and your card settings. Follow the verification prompt that appears and complete any approval required by your bank. After the bank approves the payment, Wise will process the card deposit and add the funds to the balance you selected earlier. You may need to wait a moment while the payment is confirmed. When the transaction finishes, the money will appear in your Wise balance. Your Wise balance has now been funded with money from your debit card.